Are you looking for one of the best music boxing machines to make your workouts more fun, interactive, and motivating? A good music boxing machine should offer responsive targets, adjustable speed levels, Bluetooth music, bright LED cues, comfortable striking pods, easy installation, and reliable performance for everyday training. In this video, we've selected the 5 best music boxing machines of 2026 based on training modes, speed settings, reaction accuracy, Bluetooth connectivity, punch tracking, build quality, safety, ease of setup, included accessories, and overall value. Whether you want a fun home workout, a reflex training tool, a stress relief setup, or an interactive fitness machine for both adults and kids, there's a suitable option on this list. We've included the Amazon links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which music boxing machine fits your space, training style, and budget. Stay tuned until the end to discover which music boxing machine earned the #1 spot and why it's our top recommendation. Let's get started. Number 5. Olook Music Boxing Machine. Starting our list at number 5 is the Olook Music Boxing Machine, a wall-mounted training system designed for home workouts, reaction training, stress relief, and music-based boxing sessions. It connects to your phone through Bluetooth, allowing you to play your favorite music through the built-in stereo speakers while dynamic LED lights respond to the rhythm. This combination helps turn a standard boxing workout into a more interactive fitness experience. The machine offers 9 training modes and 9 adjustable speed levels, making it suitable for beginners as well as more experienced users. A smart touchscreen lets you adjust speed and lighting settings to match your preferred workout intensity. Its striking area uses high elastic rubber for cushioning and rebound, while a pair of boxing gloves is included to help protect your hands during training. The unit installs with double-sided tape and a hook and loop mounting system, so drilling is not required. Its adjustable mounting height also makes it suitable for both adults and younger users. Pros: 9 training modes and 9 speed settings, Bluetooth music with built-in stereo speakers, dynamic LED rhythm lighting, no drill wall installation, boxing gloves included. Cons: only 17 customer reviews are listed. Adhesive mounting may depend heavily on wall surface quality. 1-year manufacturer warranty. Overall, the Olook Music Boxing Machine combines interactive lighting, Bluetooth music, and adjustable training modes, making it our number 5 pick for the best music boxing machines of 2026. Number 4. Yucate MBT03 Music Boxing Machine. Coming in at number 4 is the Yucate MBT03 Music Boxing Machine, a wall-mounted boxing trainer designed for home workouts, fitness, reaction training, stress relief, and active entertainment. The machine connects to a smartphone through Bluetooth, allowing users to play music while following the built-in rhythm lights. This combination of sound and visual cues help make training more engaging while encouraging faster reactions and better hand-eye coordination. Its striking surface is made from PU and shock-absorbing foam, helping cushion impact during repeated punches. A pair of boxing gloves is included for added hand protection, making the setup suitable for kids, teens, and adults. The compact wall-mounted design saves floor space and can be installed on compatible smooth surfaces using the included mounting hardware, and its adjustable positioning also allows users to place the target at a comfortable height for different family members. Pros: Bluetooth music connectivity, rhythm lighting for interactive workouts, shock-absorbing PU and foam construction, boxing gloves included, compact wall-mounted design. Cons: warranty is limited to only 90 days. Detailed speed or training mode settings are not listed. Installation performance depends on the wall surface. Overall, the Yucate MBT03 Music Boxing Machine provides a fun combination of music, reaction training, and compact home fitness, making it our number 4 pick for the best music boxing machines of 2026. Number 3. Snowo MBT06 Music Boxing Machine. Taking the number 3 spot is the Snowo MBT06 Music Boxing Machine, a wall-mounted training system designed for home workouts, reaction training, boxing practice, and stress relief. It offers 9 training modes and 9 adjustable speed levels, making it suitable for beginners as well as more experienced users. Short presses adjust mode and speed, while a long press changes the volume, allowing users to customize each workout more easily. Bluetooth connectivity lets you play your favorite music during training, while built-in LED lighting adds visual rhythm to each session. A smart counting function records effective punches, helping users keep track of workout progress and training volume. The striking surface uses high-rebound foam for shock absorption, while the included breathable boxing gloves help protect the hands during repeated punches. Installation does not require drilling. The unit attaches to the wall using adhesive material and Velcro-style straps, and the height can be adjusted for different users. Pros: 9 training modes and 9 speeds. Bluetooth music with LED lighting. Smart punch counting function. Type-C rechargeable design. Includes boxing gloves and a 2-year warranty. Cons: adhesive mounting may vary depending on the wall surface. No detailed battery runtime is provided. Training features are relatively basic compared with app-based systems. Overall, the Snowo MBT06 music boxing machine combines adjustable training levels, smart punch counting, Bluetooth music, and convenient wall mounting, making it our number 3 pick for the best music boxing machines of 2026.
Number 2. TGLLM HJ00005 Music Boxing Machine. Taking the number 2 spot is the TGLLM HJ00005, a large wall-mounted music boxing machine designed for home fitness, reaction training, stress relief, and family workouts. It features 9 training modes and 9 adjustable speed levels, making it suitable for beginners, experienced users, adults, and kids. When a target lights up and you land a punch, the machine records the hit, helping you track your training progress while improving reaction speed, coordination, and timing. Bluetooth connectivity allows you to play your favorite music during workouts, turning regular punching sessions into a more energetic experience. The built-in LED digital display tracks striking data, helping users monitor their performance and progress over time. The striking areas use thickened, high-elasticity foam for rebound and shock absorption. A pair of boxing gloves is included for added hand protection. Installation is simple, using double-sided adhesive or Velcro without requiring holes in the wall, and the mounting height can be adjusted for different users. Pros: 9 modes and 9 speed levels. Bluetooth music and built-in speakers. LED punch counter and target lights. Large shock-absorbing striking surface. Includes boxing gloves. Cons: adhesive mounting strength depends on the wall surface. No battery runtime is provided. No warranty information is listed. Overall, the TGLLM HJ00005 combines a larger striking area, interactive lighting, punch tracking, and flexible training settings, making it our number 2 pick for the best music boxing machines of 2026. Number 1. LOLBOX Music Boxing Machine. Taking the number 1 spot is the LOLBOX Music Boxing Machine, a wall-mounted smart boxing trainer designed for home workouts, reflex training, stress relief, and interactive fitness for both adults and younger users. It features 9 adjustable speed levels, allowing users to increase or reduce workout intensity based on their skill level. The illuminated targets create a rhythm-based training experience, helping improve reaction speed, coordination, and timing while making exercise more engaging. Bluetooth connectivity lets you play your favorite music during workouts, turning regular punching sessions into a more energetic experience. The built-in LED digital display tracks punching data, helping users monitor their performance and progress over time. The striking areas use thickened, high-strength cushioning material designed to absorb impact and provide a softer punching surface. The package also includes boxing gloves for added hand protection. Its compact wall-mounted design makes it suitable for bedrooms, home gyms, offices, and other smaller workout spaces. Pros: 9 adjustable speed levels, Bluetooth music connectivity, LED display tracks punching data, cushioned impact areas for safer training, includes boxing gloves, and a 2-year warranty. Cons: detailed training modes are not listed. Battery capacity and runtime are not provided. Product dimensions are listed inconsistently. Overall, the LOLBOX Music Boxing Machine combines interactive lighting, adjustable speed, performance tracking, and Bluetooth music, making it our number 1 pick for the best music boxing machines of 2026.